Goat milk is a special gift from our animals. It is creamy, nutritious, and loved by many people around the world. For a farmer, a steady supply of rich milk means a thriving business and healthy, happy customers. But getting more milk from your goats is not just about luck. It is a science and an art that you can learn. It is about understanding what your goats need and providing them with the best care possible. This journey is one of partnership with your animals. When you give them what they need to flourish, they will reward you with an abundance of wonderful milk. This guide is here to show you the way, step by step, so you can see your milk pails fill up like never before. It's an exciting path that leads to greater success and satisfaction for both you and your herd. The most important step to getting more milk is feeding your goats the right food. A lactating doe is working very hard. She needs a lot of energy and nutrients to produce milk and stay healthy. The foundation of her diet should always be high-quality forage. This means good pasture or excellent hay. Legume hays, alfalfa and clover are fantastic choices. They are packed with the protein and calcium that a milking doe needs to create rich, creamy milk. Think of this forage as the main course of every meal. Your goats should have access to it all day long. When they can browse and graze on nutritious plants, they are doing what comes naturally, and their bodies will respond by producing more milk for you. While forage is the foundation, milking does often need a little extra fuel to reach their peak production. A good grain mix provides the concentrated energy and protein that forage alone might not supply. However, it is very important to get the balance right. Many farmers swear by adding a handful of black oil sunflower seeds, or BOSS, to their does daily. Alfalfa pellets, a liquid supplement like Dyne, and a good loose mineral mix can all give your does an extra edge. Finally, never forget the most important nutrient of all: fresh, clean water. A milking doe can drink several gallons a day. Make sure they have constant access and troughs are scrubbed regularly. When you combine plentiful water with high-quality forage and the right supplements, you create the perfect recipe for fueling the flow of milk. Your does are ready to give more, and with your help, they will. A healthy goat is a productive goat. You cannot expect a doe to produce a lot of milk if she is not feeling her best. One of the biggest drains on a goat's health and milk supply is parasites, internal worms, lice, mites. These pests can quietly steal nutrients and energy, causing drops in milk of 25% or more. Work with your veterinarian to develop a parasite control program tailored to your farm. Stress is another silent enemy of milk production. Goats are sensitive animals. When they feel stressed, their bodies release cortisol, which interferes with milk release and production. Overcrowding, frequent changes in the herd, loud noises, being chased by dogs. Your job is to create a calm and predictable environment for your herd. Make sure they have enough space to move, eat, and rest. Every day, take a few moments to watch your goats. Become a good observer of your herd's health. Look for bright eyes, shiny coats, enthusiastic eating, and well-formed droppings. Catching a health problem early is the key to quick recovery. By acting quickly, you can prevent small issues from cutting milk production completely. A goat's environment, where she lives, where she eats, where she sleeps, has a huge impact on her ability to produce milk. One of the biggest environmental challenges is heat stress. Provide plenty of shade, a stand of trees, a lean-to, or a well-ventilated barn. Ventilation and fans can make a big difference, especially cooling at night, which research shows is very effective. A milking doe needs clean, dry, comfortable bedding, straw, wood shavings, or sand. Muck out wet spots daily to avoid hoof rot and mastitis. Think about layout. Enough room to move without crowding, plenty of feeder and water space. Make sure even timid goats can access feed without bullying. Secure fencing protects them from predators, which are a major source of stress. By creating a cool, well-ventilated, clean and spacious home, you give them the perfect stage to perform their best. Provide a thick layer of bedding, dry and comfortable. Replace soiled bedding regularly. A clean home contributes to their comfort and contentment. and to your better milk yields. The act of milking is the harvest of all your hard work. To get the most milk, establish a routine. Consistent, calm, clean. Aim to milk at the same times every day. The ideal schedule is every 12 hours. That regular interval tells the doe's body to keep producing milk steadily. Approach gently. Speak softly and handle the udder with care. A small grain treat on the stand keeps does eager for milking time. Cleanliness is absolutely critical. Wash hands and equipment. Before milking, clean the udder and teats thoroughly. Dry completely. After milking, dip each teat with sanitizing teat dip to kill bacteria and close the teat opening. Make sure you milk the dough out completely. Leaving milk in the udder signals slower future yield. Whether by hand or machine, ensure the udder is soft when finished. A consistent, calm, clean and complete milking routine ensures you gather every precious drop. The result is reliable milk and happier, more productive does. While good management can help any goat produce more milk, the very best milkers are born, not just made. The genetic potential of your goats sets the ultimate limit on milk yield. Look for breeds known for dairy: Saanen, Alpine, Nubian, and La Mancha goats. Ask to see milk records of the doe and her relatives. Keep careful records for your own herd. Breed your best does to your best bucks and keep careful production records. Then select and cull based on performance. Identify star performers at year-end. Cull does that produce little milk, have persistent health problems, or poor udder conformation. Replace low producers with promising young doelings from your best lines. Over generations, your herd improves. Timing matters. A doeling can be bred at 7 to 8 months if mature and should freshen around 1 year. Stagger breeding so you avoid a spring flood of milk followed by low supply the rest of the year. Smart breeding and culling are slow but powerful. They shape the future of your herd and build lasting productivity. You now have the keys to unlocking more milk from your goat herd. We walk through nutrition, health, environment, milking routines, and genetics. A happy, healthy goat is a productive goat, and the effort you put in will show up as more milk in the pail and a more profitable farm. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 areas, maybe better forage or a consistent milking schedule, and start there. Small, steady changes add up. Keep records so you can see progress and stay motivated. You are part of a community. Ask advice, learn from others, and keep improving. For more guides, courses, and support, visit our website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, always visit our official website at www.agricforprofits.com for more information. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video.